Welcome to clickmyproject.com. Now let's see about text detection and recognition on traffic panels from street level imagery using visual appearance. Now let's see about this abstract. In this paper we are going to detect the traffic panel in the street level images. For identifying the traffic panel, initially we are identifying the color mask. Color mask is nothing but it is a labeling technique for separating each group of images. After color mask, it will pass to the clustering technique. In this cluster technique, we have separated the labeled images as each cluster, so which may contain panel and non-panel. After cluster the images, it passed to the feature extraction technique. In feature extraction, we have calculated the color histogram. Based on the color histogram, we are going to classify the images. For the classification, we have used the SVM classifier. The SVM classifier will predict the index for the panel images. Based on the prediction, we have detect the panel in the street view images. This is the flow of our process. Here we have to given the input image. The input image should be the traffic panel street view images. The input image is passed to color mask. For identifying the color masks, here we are using SRM. SRM stands for Statistical Region Magic. It is used to create a color map structure objects or semantically meaningful parts of structured objects. Generally, it's referred to a basic capability of a human visual system to derive relevant groupings and structures from the image without prior knowledge of its contents. After color masking, it will pass to the clustering. In this module, based on the color map, we clustering the images. After clustering that, we get the partition the image with different objects. These objects going to be classified with the images for detecting the traffic panels. It's a grouping of set of objects in such a way that objects in the same group are more similar to each other than those in the other groups. After clustering this, it will go to the feature extraction. In this module, we extract the feature based on the color representation of the images. It will calculate the color distribution of the images. The color histogram can be built for any kind of color space, although the term is more often used to three-dimensional space like RGB or HSV. For monochromatic images, the term intensity histogram may be used. For multispectral images where each pixel is represented by an arbitrary. After extracting the features, it will go to the panel detection. For detecting the panel, here we are using the SVM classifier. SVM classifier trained with a database like panel and non-panel. This information has to be passed to the panel detection. Based on the trained features, it will predict about the panel, which cluster contains the panel. After predicting the panel, we are finally mapping to that original images. Now let's see the demo for process. Here I am having main.m file. Select this file, right click and run the file. This is our guide design. Initially we have to given the input image from the dataset. In dataset I am having 8 images, that is street view images which contain the traffic panel. Now I am selecting one image as input. The selected image is displayed here. After that we go for color mask. Color mask will cluster the grouping the images based on the structure of that images. This is the cluster index of the each images. Each one contains the different parts of the image. This is the edge of that images based on the clustering. This is the labeled mask of that image. This is the color mask of that image. Then we extract the feature. The feature is based on the color histogram. This is the color histogram of our generated cluster images. The extracted feature values is displayed in this table. After that, we go for cluster index. For identifying cluster index, we have used the SVM classifier. It will predict which cluster contain the panel that is predicted as 1. If non-panel means it will predicted as 0. That 1 value will be taken as for process. Based on that, we have detect the panel. This is the segmented result of that traffic panel. This is the comparison graph. Based on accuracy, we have shown the comparison graph. This is the ROC graph. This is the sensitivity specificity graph with the different existing technique. Now I am showing the result of text reduction traffic panel in Street View images. It's showing the better result than the existing system.